change when you come out.
What up, big homie? Get time when you come out. Check us out. Good music, bro. Big homie, ready for start time? Tony, you. You ready for start time? Yeah, he gone. He ain't hear me.
You ready for a stop sign?
You ready for it?
Who, me?
Yeah.
No.
No, I said start time.
Start time.
Like the star in the sky?
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah.
You ready for start time?
All the time.
Oh, shit, bro. What up, partner? You got time to check us out, man. Good music from Montgomery. Living in Atlanta, passing through, man. We got a couple projects we out here promoting.
New us right there. We got a new single hitting the radio national in 5 weeks. We're doing a show at Chubby this weekend, man. We down here doing a little
Hey, let me get something.
Come on, man. I got you, man.
What you want, man?
Man, come on, man. $2, man.
Couple dollars.
You know, anything. You know start time.
Start time.
Anytime.
Anytime.
God is good.
All the time.
You know what we do.
There you go, brother. I might need. Okay, I'll just fuck with you.
Every day, all day.
All day. Hey, you got work for that though, man.
I know. Hey.
You gotta come on, put your work in.
Every day, all day. Hey, my man. Let me ask something to come out. All right.
Hey, you got work for that, bro.
Help me out with my check. You know
Come on, man. You got to sing a song or something, man.
Everybody come on and sit down if you want to.
Turn up, man. Turn up.
Man. Hey, let me get some change. Had a little chicken, but it wouldn't lay egg. But I poured hot water down, and little chicken cried, and little chicken laid. Little chicken laid me a hard ball there, pull out the lock, so chicken.
All right. We good, brother. Yeah, we good.
We good.
Good job, done. Appreciate it, brother.
Everybody good.
All right. I'll let you in a minute.
Hey, Bob, man.
Oh.
Hey, if you have it, 35, 40 cents when you come out, I'm going on the other end.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't mean no harm, sir. I was on the other end.